This is Jointwell 95 square copper lugs. Today we are going to show you how the copper lugs will be crimped on copper standard cable. Insulation is removed from the standard copper cable and it is inserted in the barrel of the copper lug in a proper way. Properly it should be inserted and some pressure, yes, this kind of impact is required so that proper contact is being established. It is now being crimped on the crimping tool. It's hydraulic crimping tool. This is how the crimping is done. This is the crimping is done. See the crimping.